Just rolled into the build site. Brought the big baby with me. Look at you, big crybaby. Let's see, let's get out. It's raining like a mother right now. Figures it didn't rain all day. I waited till I could get up here, and then it started to rain. So it's like quite a bit of it burned, but they're still gonna have to come up here with I don't know, something with a grapple, so I can stack all this up and pile it up and burn it up. What you doing? So I'm going exploring. So I gotta pee. I got to go. So I'm gonna go in the woods. What a polite dog. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Look at you. You are a funny looking dog. You know that? Drove the truck up. I need to knock that little tree down real quick. Let's see. I've got a hatchet in here somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. What I will do though, put these windows up. Hey, what you doing? Alright, I'll put these in my pocket. I'm gonna pause this. Okay. I'm a little hatchet. I need to knock this off real quick. Back. Do it really gentle like. Hit the dirt. There we go. All right. What do you think, buddy? Let's go down and put this thing in the storage building. Here, you can run beside the car. Okay. That's one little task taken care of. You can run beside me. I'm gonna go down here. Looks like it stopped raining a little bit. Well, it doesn't start pouring here in a little bit. Now I don't know where she went. Hey, just follow me. Squeaky, squeaky. Let's see here. Probably gonna have to edit some of this. I know I'm jerking the camera around, but hey, this is vlogging at its best. What can I say? All right, this right here is something my dad and I made a few years back. The legs were actually where I had taken, I think it was a 2x6 and mounted it horizontally on these legs, and then was hanging steel targets down from it. And I literally obliterated the steel targets, but the legs were still good. So you can see it's kind of dark in here, but they fold down and lock into place. They're really nice. You can make workbenches out of them, all sorts of things. That's what it looks like. It's pretty nice. And then it's really dark in this room. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see. You can see that, probably can't see back there. Anyhow, let's go ahead and close this up. Let's get the truck turned around. It's starting to rain. You having fun? So I'm having a blast. I was gonna walk down there and check on my mushroom farm. I'll have to put those on video again. She's off in the woods over there. Hope she don't go too far. Okay, let's get turned around here. I think I'm gonna put this down. Okay, we're back. Got the dog back in the car. This is Allie. She's a little over a year old. Her birthday was in, gee whiz, I'm thinking it was in April. Kelly, no. But she is Bear Coat Shar-Pei. Got two of them. My dog, who I had for 13 years, passed away just a couple days before Christmas. So I used to take her everywhere. Allie, she's starting to ride with me places. She likes it in the car. She likes riding. She really likes coming over here to the property and run. I mean, what dog wouldn't, where you get to run through the woods and chase things. Anyhow, it got dark and overcast, and it's raining. I'm thinking you can hear it. Turn the truck off. Yeah. All right, we're gonna make an attempt to drive out of here. It's raining pretty hard, and I don't know if you can see this view through my windshield up there. So you can see where it's cleared way up the road there, and I've got to go up a pretty big hill, and it's just dirt. So if it starts raining a little bit too hard here on my little two-wheel drive car, excuse me, truck with no weight, might get interesting, but I'm going ahead and drive on up there. Alright, here we go. Try to stay out of these ruts. Hang on, Snoopy. Oh, that doesn't even spin. No, it's a two-wheel drive truck, but it climbs pretty well. Might be a different story for this. It's been raining for a few days. What's with all the golf balls? Okay. I don't have my seatbelt on, so truck's freaking out. We're at the top Poplar Drive, getting ready to pull back into onto the gravel road. Hallie's getting restless. She wants to get back out of the truck. But anyhow, I'm going to end this video. Self-destruct sequence has begun.